Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're retaking an exclusive look inside a machine that's set to redefine humanity's future in space. This isn't science fiction. This is SpaceX's Starship, the colossal rocket designed to take us to the moon, Mars, and beyond. So, buckle up as we explore the incredible engineering and ambitious vision behind humanity's next giant leap. Standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, Starship is a fully reusable transportation system, and that reusability is the key. Think about it, we don't throw away an airplane after one flight. By building a rocket that can be flown again and again, SpaceX is dramatically lowering the cost of access to space, opening up possibilities we've only dreamed of. The system has two parts: the Super Heavy booster, which is the most powerful rocket ever built, and the Starship spacecraft itself, which sits on top. Now, let's step inside. The interior of Starship is surprisingly spacious, with about 1,000 cubic meters of pressurized volume. That's more room than an Airbus A380. Early designs show a versatile layout that can be configured for different missions. For long-duration journeys to Mars, this space would be transformed into a habitat complete with private cabins, common areas, a galley for preparing food, and even a solar storm shelter for protection against radiation. Imagine waking up, floating over to a window, and seeing the rings of Saturn or the red plains of Mars right outside. That's the future Starship is building. Powering this incredible vessel are the next-generation Raptor engines. Unlike traditional rocket engines, Raptors use methalox fuel, that's liquid methane and liquid oxygen. Why is this a game-changer? Because methane can potentially be produced on Mars using the planet's atmospheric carbon dioxide and water ice. This process, known as in-situ resource utilization, means Starship could refuel on Mars for the return trip to Earth. It's like building a gas station on another planet, making a self-sustaining human presence on Mars a real possibility. So, what does this all mean for us? Starship isn't just about planting a flag. It's about establishing a permanent, multiplanetary presence for humanity. It could deploy massive telescopes like a supersized Hubble, clean up space debris, and offer rapid point-to-point travel right here on Earth. Imagine flying from New York to Shanghai in just 30 minutes. That's part of the vision. The journey of Starship is a testament to relentless innovation and dreaming big. Every test flight, whether it ends in a spectacular explosion or a perfect landing, provides crucial data that pushes the program forward. It's a reminder that progress isn't always a straight line. It's built on trial, error, and an unwavering commitment to a goal. Starship represents a pivotal moment in our history, a vehicle that could truly make us a spacefaring civilization. What do you think is the most exciting possibility Starship unlocks? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep looking up.